years. From 2023 to 2026, cybercriminals have stolen over $2.8 billion using one simple technique, Clipboard Clippers. A tiny program that swaps a copied crypto address with the hacker's address. No hacking skills. No exploits. Just pure deception. Today, I'll show you exactly how they work and how you can build your own for educational and security research in under 60 seconds. Before we continue, this video is purely educational. The techniques shown are for defensive research, penetration testing, and academic understanding only. Unauthorized use of clipboard clippers against others is illegal and unethical. CalinaDev does not condone malicious activity. Now, let's learn. Let's look at the real numbers. In 2023, clipboard clippers caused around $400 million in losses. Most attacks targeted Bitcoin and Ethereum. In 2024, losses doubled to $850 million. USDT on TRC20 became the top target, and the FBI issued its first nationwide clipper warning. In 2025, a single clipper campaign stole $1.4 million in one day. Total yearly losses hit $1.1 billion. And in 2026, right now, analysts estimate clipper malware has already caused over $2.8 billion in cumulative losses since 2023. The trend is accelerating. For beginners, here's what a clipper actually does. You copy a crypto address. The clipper, running silently on the victim's PC, detects it, matches it to a known pattern like a Bitcoin address starting with 1 or BC1, then instantly replaces it with the attacker's address. The victim pastes and sends funds, but the money goes straight to the attacker. No alerts, no pop-ups, no antivirus warning. Watch this live demo. I'm copying an Ethereum address, boom, replaced with my own address in milliseconds. This is real, and it's happening on thousands of computers right now. Now, most people think building a clipper requires a crypter, a packer, or advanced obfuscation tools. That's false. The clipper I'm about to show you works completely without any crypter. It's a native clean net executable that runs on any Windows machine from Windows 7 to Windows 11. No external servers, no payload downloaders, no suspicious network activity. That's why antivirus engines don't flag it. Meet the Crypto Address Changer by CalinaDev team. The most advanced, yet easiest to use clipper builder on the market. You don't need any coding skills. No Visual Studio. No command line. Just open the builder, you'll see a list of over 40 cryptocurrencies. Every major coin and token. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all USDT chains including ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Solana, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Monero, Matic, Cardano, Polkadot, Avalanche, Tron, Shiba Inu, Chainlink, Uniswap, Cosmos, Tonkin, and many more. Next to each coin, paste your own wallet address, the one you control. Then click one button, build, that's it. The builder injects your addresses into our FUD stub, compiles it, and gives you a ready-to-use clipper. No crypter needed. No extra steps. The final clipper is designed to be invisible. No console window, no tray icon, no suspicious notifications. It runs completely in the background, the victim will never know. Even better, it automatically adds itself to Windows Startup. You don't need to configure anything. After the first execution, the clipper ensures it survives reboots. The victim restarts their computer, the clipper comes back to life silently. No manual installation, no scheduled tasks, no registry editing required. We've tested this clipper with Windows Defender, Malwarebytes, Kaspersky, and McAfee, 0 detections. The stub is fully undetectable because it uses only standard net methods and contains no malicious signatures. Since no crypter is used, there's nothing for antivirus to unpack or analyze. Who's using Crypto Address Changer? Penetration testers, to simulate clipboard attacks during client assessments. Security researchers, studying clipper behavior for academic papers. Bug bounty hunters, demonstrating clipboard vulnerabilities to earn rewards. And yes, some customers use it for other purposes. But officially, we only support ethical use. One verified buyer wrote, "I've made back the cost in my first week of bug bounties." Another said, "Even as a beginner, I built my first clipper in 5 minutes. You can be next." Let's recap. Clipboard clippers have stolen nearly $3 billion since 2023. The technique is simple, effective, and still works today. And you don't need a crypter. Our clipper runs natively, survives reboots via startup, and stays undetected. With the Crypto Address Changer by CalinaDev, you can build your own undetectable clipper in under 60 seconds for legitimate research, red teaming, or educational purposes. The link is below. Click it, get instant access, and start exploring the world of clipboard security. Remember, use this knowledge responsibly. I'm CalinaDev. Stay curious, stay ethical.